Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync fan with motherboard step by step. First, power down and unplug your PC, then open the case and ground yourself. Locate the fan header, check whether it is 3-pin or 4-pin, and note its label such as CHA-FAN or CPU-FAN. Have your fan cable routed cleanly, avoiding sharp bends. Verify connector orientation and prepare to test in BIOS or with fan control software. In this video, I will show how to sync fan with motherboard step by step. Next, gently press the fan plug onto the matched header, ensuring the notch fits and pins align. Fasten the fan so it does not wobble, and tidy the cable using clips or zip ties for a clean layout. Boot into BIOS or your OS utility to confirm the fan spins and reports RPM. Adjust basic settings to prevent sudden full-speed spins. In this video, I will show how to sync fan with motherboard step by step. Then access BIOS fan settings or a motherboard utility in your operating system and select the correct header and control mode, PWM for 4-pin or DC for 3-pin. Set a sensible curve that ramps gently from idle to load, aiming for quiet idle and effective cooling at higher temps. Save changes, reboot, and verify RPM readings match expectations while monitoring system temperatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.